Put this on your fan, and you'll never use air conditioning again. We will use two 2-liter soda bottles. With the help of a knife and scissors, we cut the top of each bottle. Once they are cut out, we have these two parts. We remove each of the lids. Now with a sponge and water, we wash each of the two parts very well. Now, we will use a styrofoam cooler. We will also use two of these hoses. These are washing machine hoses and you can get them at any hardware store. As you can see, our house has two holes. For this step, we will use the smallest hole, and with a pencil, we will mark it on the surface of the cooler. We mark it 2 times diagonally. Just like you're seeing. Once marked, we take a hot soldering iron and make the hole we marked before. We also took the opportunity to make 2 holes in the plastic cutouts, which we had before. Just as you see on the screen. When they are done, we take the hose, and place the largest part inside the plastic of this hose. Then with insulating tape, we fix it. Should we repeat the process the other way? In the end they will look like this. Once this part is ready, we take the lid of the cooler and insert the remaining part of the hose. When you turn it over, this is how it should look on the inside. At this point, we take our fan. Here we will hold the plastic pieces. For that, we will be using 2 straps. We will place the straps through the hole, right in the middle of the fan at the front. We must place this piece below the ring, which has the fan in the middle. Once we have secured the straps, we cut the excess. Now we will repeat the same procedure with the other piece, but this time on the back of the fan. We will also place it in the center, but at the top. Just as you see on the screen. In the end, this is how it should be. Lastly, we just need to pour ice into the cooler. Next, we place the lid. Now we just have to turn on the fan. In this way, the fan will push air through the plastic below, which will cause cold air to be released from the top.